welcome to the EcoMore channel. Today we bring you a video of the Sig Sauer MCX Virtus PCP air rifle so you can see it in more detail. Sig Sauer manufactured this PCP pellet shotgun, and it is available in 5.5mm caliber. This gun uses lead ammunition and is capable of firing at a power of up to 10 joules. As for the muzzle velocity, the 5.5mm caliber fires at 215 meters per second. The MCX Virtus PCP is 95 centimeters long and weighs 3.4 kilos. The gun has a pellet magazine with a capacity of 150 rounds. Speaking of extras, this air rifle has a manual safety and a tactical stock. If you like this gun, you can purchase it at the best price directly from our website www.ecomore.com and we'll deliver it to your home. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and you'll receive all the latest news on airsoft and compressed air guns immediately.